guys, I'm your Sharga. Today what we are going to see in this video means, if you see this note means what? Pen serial killer story continuing part 2 today. Okay, why I didn't put this video for a long time means I was writing the story and I was thinking about it. Okay, so it took a long time. Now I finished the story. First see the part 1 of the serial killer story, pen serial killer story, so you will understand this part. Okay, go see it first. Okay, let's get into the video. Where we left celebrities. So now John kills the celebrities because he will get money, and where we left. Okay, I'm telling where we left in the last video. He will get money and he will be in media. He want to be famous in a bad way. I said no in the last video, in the ending. Okay, okay, I'll read from here. Celebrities, so he will get money and he will be in media. I said that already, explained to you in that video, part 1. But he kills with pens. No one can find who is the killer. What here happening? The John will kill with pen only because he's a pen serial killer by the title of this story. Pen serial killer, and no one cannot find him. Who is the killer? No one cannot find who is the killer, who kills these celebrities. That like who no one cannot find. Okay, no one cannot find the killer, and they've left the case. It's very hard to find the killer in every case. What here happening? The first case, no, the husband and wife, he killed no John. We all know he's the killer. John killed no the wife and husband. They left the case. And the other cases also very hard to them find the killer who is it. Okay, very hard to find who is the killer. Okay, in every case, but a new police came to investigate the case, and he goes to the spot of the first kill of the killer. What here happening? A new police coming to this police post, and he's coming to investigate these cases, but he is not taking new cases. He kills no first he killed wife and husband. He goes to that case first. Why? We don't know, but I know because I made the story. You don't know why he is taking that case. You don't know, but he is taking this case first to investigate. He's taking that case first to investigate. You all will think he's taking this case to finish this case, close this case fully. That like you will think. Yes, correct. You are thinking correctly. He takes that case first. He is not taking the new cases. In old days, I thought about this. In the old days, old years ago, John kills other people's. Okay. Where I left. Police came to investigate the case after, and he goes to that spot where John killed the first two, husband and wife. Okay, killer, and he sees the picture of the boy and girl's dead body, and he finds out they have been killed by a guy. What here? The new police sees the dead body, the wife and husband's dead body, and finds out a guy killed them with a pen. Killed them with a pen. We all know it's John who killed them, the husband and wife. Okay, he finding out now. The wife and husband died a long time ago, but now he's taking this case. Why? We don't know. Okay, killer, guy that who killed them by pen. In all cases, the killer left a pen, but the pen is buried in one shop. What is happening here? The killer, John/killer, you can call him the killer. John kills every celebrities and leaves a pen there, showing them he was the one who killed, not other serial killers. There are a lot of serial killers. No, in that he was the one who killed them. To show police, he left a pen there. So, to a clue. That's the clue the new police finding out. He leaves a pen, that like the clue he is finding out. Other police did not found out it, but the new police found that as a clue. Finds it as a clue. Okay, and he finds out brand, the pen. In the old days, they will put the brand of the shop name of the pen. So he sees that, and he sees the brand is one brand and buy in one shop. Okay, let's see. The pen is buyed in one shop. They found out the shop is Shut Pro. They goes there and sees the camera. What? They found out the pen brand comes from a shop that is Shut Pro. Old days shop. I didn't get any name in my mind, so I write in this like Shut Pro. And in that shop only he buys the pen, and they sees the camera. So the police came to the shop immediately and goes to the camera room, the camera CCTV camera room, and sees what where he sees the camera and sees a person buy a lot of pen, and they finds out that he is the killer. What? In the camera, they finding out a person, a guy you can call. The John is the guy, but they don't know. The new police are everyone don't know. And the killer they found out. A guy buys a lot of pen from that Shut Pro shop. Okay, and they confirmed it. He is the killer. They confirmed he is the killer. He's the one who killing this all celebrities. That like they confirmed he's the killer. That like they confirmed. Okay, he's the person. Lot of pen, and they finds out that he is the killer. Police said to the shop owner, tell us when he comes. What? They found out he is the serial killer. That guy is the serial killer who buys a lot of pen. And they tells to the guy, the shop owner, and tells he's a big criminal, a serial killer. When he comes to the shop to buy pen, call us immediately. That like the police tells. The new police tells and goes. Okay? One day, John came to the shop to buy pens. But the shop owner called the police. What is happening? When John the killer came to buy a lot of pen there in the shop, but what the owner did means call the police immediately, taking his phone and calling the police 911, calling the police fastly, and what? But John don't know, the killer don't know he's calling to the police and he's buying pen. Okay, police, where I left police, and when the killer get pen, police comes there. What? When John the killer gets his pen to kill other celebrities soon, gets the pen and coming out, sees that time immediately police comes there. Okay, police comes there fastly. Okay, police comes there, comes to arrest John, but John took a pen and throws at a police. What? In the police group, a police come to arrest John. Arrest John, but John took the pen. John don't know what to do, so he has a lot of pen now. He takes that pen and throws at that police's neck. Okay, neck. The next police comes to attack John, but John throws up another pen at that police's eye. What? Another police. You shot my police. You shot a police. I will come to arrest you. That like attack you, arrest you and attack you. That like he comes to attack and arrest him. But John took another pen and throws at the police's eye. Okay, police's eye. Where I left police's eye. John runs away from the police. John running, runs to airport, goes to another city. What happening here? John next, the police now focused on the two police who has been stabbed. One police has been stabbed in the neck, another police has been stabbed in the eye. So they are shouting in pain. That time the police all focused on them to rescue them. But in that gap, the John escapes from there, running. He runs to the airport. Okay, airport, and he goes to another city. It took 2 days to go to another city, but police are focused on the two police who have been injured by the killer John. Okay, where guys city, but the new police is what intelligent. He thrown a tracker on him. Police tracked John and found him. What here happens? The new police is intelligent. Before John left, the new police thrown a tracker on John because he knows first itself he will escape from us because he's a perfect serial killer. He didn't left any clues in his kills, so he knows he will do like this anyways. So he thrown a tracker on John when he didn't look. Okay, when John didn't look, and they found him. They tracked him, and they goes to that city, and they found him. Okay, found him and arrest him very easily. You will think John is a big serial killer, and it's hard to find him in every case. How they catched him very easily? You will think. What means that there's a twist. He left all pen there. He kills with pen now. Okay, he didn't have pen, so they catched him easily. He tried to attack them, but they catched him easily by showing the gun at him and catched him, arrested him very easily because he had a pen, means he can throw at that police, but he didn't have now. He didn't took any pen and goes there. Okay, very easily because John didn't have pens to attack the police, but that. Okay, you now understand. Before I told you I didn't have pen. The explained you before I read the story. Okay, but the new police came to John and said, what means now they arrested him and put it in jail. In that he goes to him when he is in the bars. When bars inside the bars, not boss. Bars. The new police came to him, goes to him and said, how I found you means when you killed a wife and a husband. What he is telling the story is backstory. I'm telling you a clue what next going to happen. When you killed, what he is telling means he is explaining how I found you. How I find you very easily. Yeah, other police can't find you, but I found you very easily. How I find you very easily means you killed a wife and husband, huh? That like he is telling, wife and husband. I saw you. There are my mom and dad. What? The new police is the celebrities. What I forgot their name because of thinking about writing this story. See me and sing, and they are the parents of this new police. Okay, so he saw that. I told you in the part 1 now. Go see it so you will understand who is he. When I told you in the part 1 story, there was a little boy seeing seeing John killing the wife and husband, the celebrities. They are the little boy's parents. Okay. He was playing and coming to his parents, but John was killing them. That's what happened. What means dad? So I tried to tell the police, but they didn't believe me because I was a kid. What means he tries to tell to the police, but no one believes him because he's a little kid. No, who will believe a little kid? Okay. But police will not believe a little kid. He said like, they are my mom and dad. He killed like that. They said means how they will know, how they will try to believe him. So they didn't believe him, and he was a kid. But I thought about becoming a police. Now I am police and you are in jail. See, this is the backstory of his. What means he thought about becoming, no one believes him. So he thought about becoming a police and tried to arrest him. So he's telling, now I am a police and you are in jail. That like he's telling in short way. Shortly he's telling, now I become a police and I thrown you into the jail. That like he's telling to him very short way, in short way. Shortly he's telling, police, now I am police and you are in jail. Goodbye. Painkiller and police, the new police said, and police, all police said to the media, the killer is John. The painkiller's end. That is the story, guys. If you liked it, means subscribe down below and like, press the bell button. Okay, guys, that's all, guys. The part 1, go see the part 1, and this is the part 2, the ending of this serial killer story. If you liked it, means subscribe and press the button and like the video and share the video, sim other videos and see that part 1, so you will understand it. Again, I am telling, see the part 1, so you will understand. Okay, guys, bye from your Sharika.